invocation by Sri Mati Shante.
Siba yang lai batalang pasambuba uba sabani yumai napai yang yumai mohimam bersengai sambuba itu ke manilong basunya baik.
As per the person SOP, like symptomatic or mild patients are to be kept at home in self-isolation. But we feel that this is not very applicable in rural setup like Longling, where facilities are lacking at home. And most of the infected people are common people. And common people do not have home facilities, self-isolation facilities at home. So knowing the difficulty and also the practical problems, the civil societies have decided to initiate this community isolation center with the knowledge of DDF Longling. The service for humanities are common core. So we throw vision from this common core, and we derive only one vision from here. We derive one idea from here. We derive one service from here, and service for humanity is our meeting place. Coronavirus has provoked us to come together, to fight together. That is why, in order to support the authority, the government, all civil societies have taken up this initiative.
Idea one is disaster ase alak ekta la nohoy to ito to hila to disaster to hila to ami kan government logobi civil society logobi eki logode aha ase ami kan sob ki fight eki logo koribo lage eto karone ami kan di any jagate any lakiate aro ki ami kan help koribole laga ami kan ready ase dai kan to NGO ase dai kan ke to নহলে হব কইনা নাভাবিবি আমি গান একই লগতে ফাইট করব এটো কারণে আমি খান রেডি আছে আপডেট করি থাকি দিতে কইনা এটো কি জানাই দি আছে
লাইক আমার সব জানেন আছে ডাউন দে আমার কিমান পাবলিক প্রা লই কিনা অফিসার স্টাফ কই আছে দুটো সব ওয়ার্ড রেসপেক্টিভ ওয়ার্ড তে বই কিনা আছে এটো কারণে ইতিয়া লাগা পেন্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশন দে আমার তো পাবলিক লাগা কোঅপারেশন লাগি আছে तो इन्हीं ऑफिसर्स का मिलेगी डिस्ट्रिक्ट टास्क फोर्स मिलेगी वार्ड खान के इग्नोर करना तो नेगेटिव किली किबा इम्पोर्टेंट किबा एकटा आसे कोलिबी वार्ड खान के जाना होती किली अमगन आसे अपना के मोटप करले तो अमगन इना कोऑर्डिनेशन ने थाकिले तो थाकी लगा वार्ड न भाई इदु बीमार पॉजिटिव पूरा मानो होम आइसोलेशन दे रखिले तो रिमेनिंग फैमिली मेंबर्स तो 3 डे रखिल दिले ভাল হ'ব কিলি ইয়াতে ফুড প্রভাইড पे দেখন করব তো फैमिली मेंबर्स पर as per our resolution pass point না আৰু একটা আছে কোনো হেল্পলেস সিঙ্গল মানুহ ইয়াতে কোভিড পজিটিভ থুরি কিনা রাখিল আছে তো ইটো ওয়ান তো আমন ওয়ার্ড খন ব্রা ফুড প্রভাইড করব তো আমন রেডি আছে at any time আমাৰ ইটো কৰিব পাৰিব और रिलेटेड की बात नॉय हेले मो एक सेटिंग डेवलपमेंट तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट टास्क फोर्स और मेडिकल टीम खनिते इतो बीमार कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड इन रूरल एरिया भी बुंक जाए पोस्ट भी तो इमीडिएट अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दिबो कारण वेल एज सर्वेलेंस टीम कोइना सेटअप करले भालबो नाকি और वार्ड सर्वेलेंस टीम कोइना सेटअप करले हमकान कोविड-19 रिलेटेड सिम्पटम्स कोनो डिटेक्ट करछो बोले हमकान प्रा अपनागे फोन दिगिना अपनान त टाइम ले आइगिना एतो मानो बेस को बाय एतो निसना पहिले फालो नागे कोइना मोल सेटिंग दियासे
और as a civil society NGO organization तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के मोहला डिमांड तो थागिबो लागे इदु ब्रा अछि तक लंगलेंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट की रिपोर्ट करि आसे की गवर्नमेंट बा दिबुला आसी इदु दिबो लागे and since we are under the state government idu bra state government idia coalition idu to mohan la kam no hoi goina mohan chari dise bole to longlen citizen to patu to ka take care go solely medical ke depend ko na parbo administration police itu no boli mohan ek ki logot mili ke na kam kuribo hoina itu mohan laga agenda to resolve hoina aji itu mohan home isolation center to jonam paise to itu kinaga loi jabo itu kinaga tangor hobole to itu gane to we need support from every angle aji mohan itu goto mission ekta nishina ase itu to every act is a worship kone jina amar church te jaiga na patna pura itu noi boli aji amar itu kam pura bi iso gane amar na mission ekta fulfill kore as an administrator as a medical fraternity the medical department servant hoi kina no government NGO no le kon hoi le aha to mohan ke assigned duty ekta ase itu to mohan to fulfill ko bola itu kam kuribo kane mohan ke serve kuribo kane aha ase itu ka mohan itu mohan la mind de rakhina mohan continue to kuri kena chabo hoina moi itu ekta janai di ase
Longling district ti itu medical department bi bishi problem dangor ekta thagise mani itu home isolation covid positive asi will be problem na thakika na bimari na thakika na asymptomatic koi ase itu kan tu court rakhi dibo itu laga pra nium pra itu home isolation di rakhya time di itu bimaria kan pra hi aru family members kan sup aru bi infection ja laga spread hua laga itu situation to ha time di moi kan problem dangor ekta thagika na moi kan discuss kuri thagise aru itu kan sup kura laga to we are following some directives from the government of India bra ki koishi covid positive hoile bi asymptomatic case kan to court hi home isolation korobo lagi hoile bi itu manu to separate room ekta thakibo lagi bedroom aru separate toilet ekta thakibo lagi koi hoile bi Nagaland di pishi phak to inika laka facility to na paribo juti parili bi manukan ekta family di thake ase tar positive hoiga na ase will be bimari na thakia to na janika na khalwa aru mix up kuri hoi jabo itu laga pra hi moi kan inika thakia time di dusra itu government directives to ki hoise positive case to iman bishi high ase aru bimari bi in terms of thousands lakhs di hospital di jai ase itu time di phila nishina quarantine center nishina to tipuli to it's next to impossible itu manpower aru itu resources prabi naparia pra maybe they have come out with this SOP of home isolation will be Nagaland itu moi kan dusra India state ti inika pishi case ula nishina do moi kan naga district will be Nagaland bi nai comparatively pishi kom dia ase itu pura at least separate isolated ekta core ekta identify korega na positive asymptomatic case kan do rakile hal obona ki inika bhabiga na thakya time di under Chairman District Task Force ma itu moina May 18 di civil societies kan itu PBCA aro PBC aro itu kan formula hojem ward chairman kan aro PSC kan sup jama kurigana civil societies kan jama kurigana May 18 di meeting loi thakise regarding this problem aro civil societies can be itu understand kurigana kutha discussion kura time bishi lua nai everyone take it in a very positive manner aro bishi positive prahe loigana kun bi apoti nogoigana acha inika ekta community isolation center ekta to thakibo lagi koigana itu meeting to moi kan ses kurishi within a few days time 2-3 din hoigana to complete hobole laga kami hai jaise they have already identified aro tumi kan sob identify korigana core kan to tik tak achi kinika inika arrangement korigana ase itu kan sob jodi hoi jaise tumi kan laga itu leadership with a very kikobo effective effective leadership koi ase itu khan laka thakya pra itia longling do from last year till this year also we can work so smoothly and very successfully. Itu tumi kan leaders kan thakya pra hi mo kan departmentals kan officials kan be comfortable kuriga na we coordinate so well aro kam do inika phal hoi jai ase. It's all because of the civil societies with your effective leadership nimiti itya achi itu laka iman judi community isolation center ekta dedicate korbole laka time ani dise. Every department has their own duties and responsibilities. Medical site hoile bi kinika patient do anibo ki kan dorkar ase even up to the extent of waste management lagado we will try to take care of it. Whoever is here we will try to make them comfortable and then whatever problem is arising from medical point of view we are always there to contribute the manpower as well as our resources whatever we have. Itu laga ase. Itu pra tumikan itu nimiti tu cinta nokoribi we are so happy. Mo kan laga imam burden dangor thakika na thakya time di tumikan pra inika mo kan laga burden inika lighten kuratu we are express globally na parika na we are so thankful. Ini kubuli laga to thank you inika kwa lagaya asi but it's so immeasurable. Issue hoi jaise. Itu pra likewise the police department, the administration or any other PHC electricity departments are there. So we will make sure that all the departments come into this center whatever requirements are there so that we will all work out to have a smooth running for the home isolation, community home isolation center. Aji tumika ninika kam phao kurado. Itu humanitarian act. Imam phao kura lagado. I really appreciate all your works. Ninika. Aru itu inohoy. There will be a time. Itu laka kam phao kurado history. Longling laka history di jaboliasi. How the civil societies have come up and contributed during this time of crisis. Itu history di jayaside. So let's all awaken ourselves and then do the good things for the community. Itu lagahi moy achi kutha koyase. It's not the end. We have to continue and we have to go a long way. This situation haibo itu moy khan na jani. The situation will subside very soon also or it may escalate more. Moy khan na jani itu. PCP will be jabo pare. But the only thing is we all are God-fearing people and this is what is happening is beyond human control. Ektabi hoi jayase. So we have to trust in God and we need His protection for the people of Longling as well as for the people of Nagaland as a whole. Being a good believer and being Christians, we have to show our faith during this time of crisis. Ito laga ektahe moi kutha.
Ito American party saise bole government ba American olop neglect kori diya. Elagati so bano pra phagi bola de elagati ase. Bolibi American aro phal party saise bole government party kiman dakta. Last year be 20,000 a month India branch, train bra, flight bra, carry bra, quarantine center panase, American get pay police. The government quarter hole, American palpa chani bola ge. Government quarter American yes. Government do kurba akas pa higna korano hai. Ito pa government di that can be easy tight situation that happen. Government serving can brother Janibo, NGOs can buy well already. Amakan DA carry keep maintenance even 1 day wage and the tak ami kan bi corner servant kan bi kadi gena di gena covid to manage to kori gena edu latest so bi de hole amakan CMO proposition khali covid care center takhi panase edu biche quarantine kan to silent amakan bi हाथ पानी दिया निश्चय पासे किला माने गवर्नमेंट ने सो भी तो कोविड केयर सेंटर कोविड हॉस्पिटल तकियस क्वारंटाइन बना भी अपने का सिक्योरिटी दीदी मेडिकल खंड्रा नर्स खान दीदी डॉक्टर दीदी ये लगाए कौन है बोली भी हम खान एक ही लोगों दे थाके अपने खान प्रॉब्लम जाना निश्चय अपने खान लगा प्रॉब्लम जाने जगह भी अपने खान जाने Manukon lang living lifestyle kampiyan ni kansane ito pra TTF pradi decision loise ito NGOs of Longleng Kampra isolation ward pona bole demand pra tu ito to ni junior ito pra hi amikan government deadline bana dise holi bi amikan odu state to cross kori gina ahi gina motop kori bole amikan bi dia ito pra itu cross kori gina aha biche de ki misunderstanding aise kole itu bisi kia ho itu bra amikan in close coordination kori bole
when we look at our infrastructure private government here in our district since Longleng is a new district we don't have infrastructure like Kohima, Dimapur or elsewhere in Nagaland, other district headquarters. We have a tough time in the first wave also. And even this day, the second wave, we have a harder task to face. Because now we are handling the positive case. Before we are handling the returnees, we don't know whether they are positive or not. But these days, we are handling only the positive case. They might be asymptomatic, mild symptoms, and some serious. However, we are lucky, most of our positive cases are asymptomatic and mild symptoms. But looking into this, the grave situation, many NGOs, many citizens, leaders, public leaders, they have texted us, called us to start the isolation home. So we had a meeting from the medical, police, administration. We have also given some suggestion. With a good suggestion, our executive secretary, he has led the team and started the work, and today we have to feed to run this isolation home. It might be incomplete if I don't say this word. The contractor of this building, he hasn't received all the bills. However, he has openly donated his building to use as a home isolation center. I would like to say thank you to him also, and even to the Oksop villagers for contributing their items, whatever requirement, and even they are willingly offering this place to run a home isolation center.
Fear not, for I have redeemed you. I have called you by name. You are mine. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And through the rivers, they shall not overwhelm you. When you walk through fire, you shall not be burned, and the flame shall not consume you. For I am the Lord, your God, Almighty and eternal Father in heaven, in whom we live and move and have our being, who has created us and sustained us.